Hi everyone. Welcome back to Healthier Faster, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of nature's best nutrients. In today's video, we're studying the health benefits of turmeric milk, exploring important scientific studies and uncovering how turmeric milk can boost your health and enhance your well-being. This traditional drink, also known as golden milk, is making a comeback for its incredible health benefits. And guess what? Every claim we discuss is backed by science from recognized institutions like the American National Institutes of Health. Because, sometimes we need modern science to confirm what ancient wisdom figured out thousands of years ago. Stick around because you're about to learn some verified, surprising facts. Turmeric milk is a blend of warm milk and turmeric, often combined with spices like cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper. It's rooted in Ayurvedic medicine and it's now loved worldwide for its health benefits, many of which have been studied and confirmed by leading health organizations, including the American National Institutes of Health, NIH. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects. According to scientific studies published on PubMed, curcumin has been shown to help reduce inflammation in conditions such as arthritis and heart disease. You can discover more details about the research in the description, but without getting too technical, let's continue. If you're looking for a natural way to ease inflammation, it could be a valuable addition to your routine. Turmeric milk is also a great immunity booster. Also, research by the American NIH supports the fact that curcumin can enhance the body's antioxidant defenses, helping to fight off infections. While it's not a cure-all, sipping it during cold and flu season might give your immune system a natural boost. Here's something you might not know. Turmeric can improve digestion. Confirming what is taught by Ayurvedic medicine, the American National Institutes of Health have found that turmeric stimulates bile production, which aids digestion by breaking down fats more efficiently. It's also been reported to help relieve symptoms of bloating and indigestion. So, a cup of turmeric milk could be just what your digestive system needs after a heavy meal. If you're having trouble falling asleep, turmeric milk might be the answer. Also, the Cleveland Clinic highlights how warm milk combined with turmeric can promote relaxation, ease anxiety, and improve sleep quality. It's a natural, soothing drink that could help you wind down after a long day. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can also benefit your skin. Research, including some studies supported by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, and the dermatological community, suggests that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, may help reduce acne and redness thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Additionally, regular consumption of turmeric milk may support skin health, contributing to a more radiant complexion from the inside out. However, it is important to note that these approaches should be used as a complement to conventional medical treatments, and further clinical studies are needed to fully confirm these benefits. Now that you know the science-backed benefits, here's a simple way to make your own turmeric milk. Combine 1 cup of milk, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Why black pepper? According to Ayurveda, turmeric is commonly combined with black or long pepper to boost its effectiveness. Also, scientific research found that black pepper helps the body absorb curcumin more effectively. You can find more details about this in the description. You can add cinnamon or ginger for extra flavor and sweeten it if you like. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for an easy, delicious way to boost your health backed by traditional Ayurvedic wisdom and research from reputable institutions like the American National Institutes of Health and Cleveland Clinic, give turmeric milk a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share your turmeric milk experience in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more health insights and tips. Stay healthy and happy.